The importance of hydration. Did you know staying hydrated can boost your energy, mood, and focus? Let's explore why water is so important for your body. Hydration is essential for maintaining good health. Water helps regulate body temperature, supports digestion, and keeps your skin glowing. Starting your day with a glass of water can kickstart your metabolism and energize you for the day ahead. Make it a habit to sip water throughout the day, especially if you're active or spend time in the sun. If you struggle to drink enough water, try adding natural flavors like lemon, mint, or cucumber. These can make your water tastier and encourage you to drink more. Also, carrying a reusable water bottle can remind you to stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is key to feeling your best. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like and share this video with friends. Leave a comment below with your favorite way to stay hydrated. The benefits of regular exercise. Want to feel happier, healthier, and more energized? Let's dive into the amazing benefits of regular exercise. Exercise is not just about building muscles or losing weight. It's a powerful way to improve your overall health. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which boost your mood and reduce stress. It also strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and helps you sleep better. Even 30 minutes of walking a day can make a huge difference. It's important to find an activity you enjoy, like dancing, biking, or swimming, so you'll be more likely to stick with it. Consistency is key. Remember, every small effort counts, and over time, it will add up to big changes in your energy and health. Make exercise a part of your daily routine and see how it transforms your life. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment below on your favorite way to stay active. Friendship is one of the most valuable treasures in life. It's more than just having fun together. It's about having someone who supports and understands you, no matter what. Friends bring joy and laughter into our lives, and they stand by our side during tough times. Having someone to share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences with creates a sense of belonging. A true friend is like a safe space. You can be yourself without fear of judgment. They motivate you to be the best version of yourself, cheering you on when you succeed and lifting you when you fall. Friendships also teach us important lessons like empathy, trust, and compromise. These are qualities that help us grow as individuals. Spending time with friends can reduce stress and make life more enjoyable. Whether you're exploring new places, sharing stories, or just relaxing together, friends make everyday moments special. In short, friendship adds meaning to life and reminds us that we are not alone. Helping others is an essential part of life. It's not just about making a difference for someone else. It also brings joy and satisfaction to us. When we lend a hand to others, we create positive energy that spreads, making the world a better place. Whether it's offering a smile, helping a friend with homework, or volunteering at a local shelter, every small act counts. Helping others can improve our well-being. Studies show that acts of kindness can reduce stress and boost our mood. When we see the happiness we bring to someone's life, it creates a sense of purpose and fulfillment. We feel connected, knowing we've made a positive impact. It reminds us that we have the power to change things, no matter how small the action may seem. Moreover, helping others builds strong communities. It brings people closer, creating bonds based on trust and compassion. When we help others, we inspire them to do the same, creating a ripple effect. This cycle of kindness helps build a supportive and united community where everyone looks out for one another. It's a powerful way to create a network of care, making sure no one feels alone. Helping others also teaches valuable life lessons. It shows us the importance of empathy, patience, and understanding. We learn to appreciate what we have and become grateful for our own lives when we see others' challenges. It helps us grow as individuals, shaping our character and building resilience. In essence, helping others is more than just a good deed. It's a way of life that benefits everyone involved. It spreads positivity, strengthens bonds, and creates a better, more connected world. Whether through small gestures or big efforts, every act of kindness contributes to a happier, healthier life for all. The importance of healthy eating. Eating healthy is essential for living a happy and active life. Our bodies need the right nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and proteins, to function properly. When we eat well, we feel more energetic, focused, and ready to take on challenges. Imagine your body as a car. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run, our bodies need the right foods to stay strong and healthy. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are like premium fuel. They give us the energy and strength to play, work, and learn. On the other hand, eating too many sugary or fried foods can make us feel tired and can cause health problems in the long run. Eating a balanced diet also helps our brains. Studies show that foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fish, and antioxidants, like berries, can improve memory and concentration. When we eat well, we not only take care of our bodies, but also our minds, which is important for studying and being productive. It's also important to stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day keeps our bodies cool and our minds alert. Sometimes people mistake thirst for hunger, so staying hydrated can also help manage our appetite. Of course, everyone enjoys a sweet treat or a snack now and then, and that's okay. The key is to enjoy these in moderation. Balance is what matters most. It's about making sure most of our meals are filled with nutritious ingredients that benefit our bodies. In conclusion, healthy eating is all about balance. When we fuel our bodies with the right foods and stay hydrated, we feel better, think clearer, and have the energy to enjoy life. Let's make smart food choices and treat our bodies with care so that we can live our best lives. The magic of traveling. Traveling is one of the most exciting ways to explore the world and learn new things. It opens the door to new cultures, foods, and experiences. When we travel, we get to see beautiful landscapes, meet interesting people, and discover how others live. It's like opening a book filled with stories that we can experience firsthand. Imagine stepping onto a sandy beach, feeling the warm sun on your skin, and listening to the gentle waves. Or walking through a busy city, seeing tall buildings and bright lights, while people from all over the world move around you. Every place we visit has its own unique story, and it teaches us something new. When we travel, we step out of our comfort zones and experience things we might never see in our hometowns. One of the best parts of traveling is trying different foods. Each country or city has its special dishes that tell a story about its history and culture. Whether it's tasting spicy street food in Asia, fresh pasta in Italy, or delicious tacos in Mexico, food is a way to connect with people and understand their way of life. Traveling also teaches us to be open-minded. We learn that even though people may speak different languages or wear different clothes, We all share similar feelings, hopes, and dreams. This makes us more understanding and helps us appreciate the diversity of the world. We realize that no matter where we come from, we all want to live happy and fulfilling lives. In addition to fun and excitement, traveling can also be a time for reflection. Being in a new place often gives us the chance to think about our own lives and what we want for our future. It can be a moment to relax, recharge, and gain new perspectives. But you don't have to go far to experience the magic of travel. Sometimes, exploring a new park or a nearby town can be just as exciting. It's about having a curious mind and a sense of adventure. Even small trips can fill us with joy and help us grow as people. In conclusion, traveling is not just about visiting new places, it's about learning, growing, and connecting with the world. Whether near or far, every trip brings us a little closer to understanding the beauty and diversity around us. So, next time you have a chance, pack your bags and set off on a new adventure. You never know what amazing things are waiting for you. The benefits of drinking water today. I want to talk about something so simple, yet so vital to our health and well-being. Water. Drinking water is often overlooked, yet it is one of the most important things we can do for our bodies every single day. As we navigate through our busy lives, it is easy to forget this essential element, but I encourage you all to embrace the habit of hydration and recognize its numerous benefits. First and foremost, water is crucial for maintaining our body's balance. Comprising about 60% of our body weight, water is essential for regulating our temperature, lubricating our joints, and protecting our organs. It serves as a medium for countless biochemical reactions that are vital for our survival. By staying hydrated, we ensure that our bodies can perform at their best. Next, let's talk about digestion. Water plays a pivotal role in breaking down the food we eat, helping our bodies absorb nutrients more efficiently. It aids in preventing constipation by softening stools and facilitating smooth bowel movements. Drinking adequate amounts of water can lead to better digestive health overall, leaving us feeling lighter and more energized. Now, I want to address an often missed aspect: water's role in weight management. Many of us strive to maintain a healthy weight, or even lose a few pounds. Drinking water before meals can help us feel fuller, leading to reduced calorie intake. Moreover, replacing sugary or calorie-laden beverages with water can significantly cut down on our overall calorie consumption. Remember, hydration is not just about thirst. It's also about making smarter choices for our bodies. Moreover, let's not forget about our skin. Hydration is key to maintaining healthy and radiant skin. When we drink enough water, we help our skin retain its moisture, improving its elasticity, and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Water flushing out toxins also contributes to a clearer complexion. So if you're looking for glowing skin, remember that beauty truly begins from within. Additionally, water is our body's natural detoxifier. It helps flush out toxins and waste products through urine and sweat. This detoxification process is vital for kidney health and overall body function. Staying well hydrated supports our kidneys in filtering blood and eliminates any unwanted substances from our system efficiently. Let's also talk about cognitive function. Our brains rely on proper hydration to work optimally. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, confusion, and difficulty concentrating. By ensuring we drink enough water, we can enhance our focus, memory, and overall cognitive abilities, allowing us to perform better at work, school, or any activities we engage in. Remember, a simple act like drinking water can lead to profound changes in our health and lifestyle. Cheers to good health, and cheers to hydrating wisely.